wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name Muhammad Dimas Aditya Fatur Rahman with NPM 2241100X. My from class Management 22A. As here I will explain material about financial report analysis. Next, definition of financial statement. A report is a record containing financial information in an accounting period which will later be used to describe the company performance result. The financial report in itself is part of the financial reporting process. This activity is usually carried out by audit parties in government agencies, firms, accountants, and other institutions. Next, procedure for conducting financial report analysis. 1. Understand the background of company data. Background data include file business and accounting policies implemented by the company. 2. Understand the influencing institusi company. This condition include information about industry trend or tendencies, change in consumer tastes, change technology, as well as change factory economy such as interest rate, per capita income, taxes, and rates inflation. 3. Study the report thoroughly. The aim is to ensure that the report describes the data clearly, is relevant, and complies with financial accounting standard. 4. Analysis financial report. Use method, and technique analysis described above. This is the final step in the analysis. Financial report can interpret financial condition company properly. Next, purpose of financial report. The aim is to ensure accuracy and objective related to financing, taxes, or investment. Basically, financial reports are divided into balance report, income statement, cash flow, and change in capital. This type is useful as a source of information. This report will also be used by the company or stakeholder, investor. The main objective of conducting analysis of financial report is look for the basis for strategic decision making and basic information regarding business value. However, there are some goals that are more important why this analysis is important, including the following. 1. Understand the company potential to pay off debt and interest well long term or short term. 2. Understand the company is potential in utilizing asset for make a profit. 3. Grow change in financial position in a period. 4. Project what the business will be like in the period furthermore. 8. Assess business performance in the current period. 6. Compare the company's own value with the value of competitor. 7. Identify financial areas that are experiencing problems. Next, type of financial report. 1. Naraca. 2. Profit and loss statement. 3. Report and change in financial position, cash flow. 4. Capital change report. Financial statement analysis method. 1. Horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis method is a method of comparing express the same thing in financial statement for different period. Usually, the comparison to be analyzed are based on 2 or 3 earlier period. There are a number of the methods that applied in this horizontal analysis, including trend or index analysis, analysis of source and working capital, analysis of change in gross profit, analysis of source and use of cash. 2. Vertical analysis. The next method for analyzing financial statement vertical analysis. This analysis often used when comparing different financial items in the same report and in the same period. This method is often said to be a static method. There are also methods in this vertical analysis, namely common sense analysis, break-even analysis, financial ratio analysis, technique, growth analysis. The method in the vertical analysis are common sense analysis, break-even analysis, financial ratio analysis, and growth analysis technique. Next, what type of financial report can be analyzed? 1. Balance sheet. In accounting, balance sheet is a financial report company which include information on asset, payment, obligation to related parties regarding operation and capital in a certain period. The component in the balance sheet are asset history data. The history data contain about all source of capital of finance good from capital or debt holder obligation. The balance sheet can be structured as two formats, namely the control form and report form table. 2. Profit and loss report. This report will show the company's financial situation, whether it is in a state of loss or profit. Usually there are many records of company loss and profit in this report. These records are obtained from the result of company sale of expenses incurred by the company. This report is generally created at the end, accounting or final calculation period year. Profit and loss statements are also available. Makes it easier for investors to learn and understand the performance of a company. There are two formats for this report, namely from direct single step and from gradual multi-step. 3. Position change report finance. Cash flow. This report will show the accountant or manager how the company cash has been asked so far. This means that manager can monitor all source and how company funds are asked. The report is crucial in financial assessment analysis because of the business cash flow. Also called a cash flow report, it is divided into the main activity including funding operation and investment activities. 4. Capital change report. The capital change report will show the decrease or increase in net capital in a period, making this report requires an income statement. This is because accountants have to pay attention to the nominal capital at the end of the period after deducting the company's losses, profit. Internal financial report analysis method. Analyzing financial report, of course, there is several methods that can be used. Broadly speaking, there are two methods analysis. The first method is horizontal method, while method next is the vertical method. Other methods applied in the horizontal analysis include the following. A trend analysis or index analysis is as to the trend in financial position. Also called time series analysis, this type can help managers decide on the form of company performance from period to period. This analysis will be expressed in percentage in the case. An index of view is carried out if the analysis compares reports from more than two periods. This analysis is also taken from historical financial report data as well as data on estimates of the company future performance of plans. One popular way of carrying out this analysis is financial ratio analysis. B. Analysis of short and working capital. Financial report analysis technique. This is commonly as if you want to find out the source and allocation of company capital, as well as the factors that influence change. C. Analysis of change in gross profit. This method is used when a company wants to find out the causal factor in change in gross profit from one period to another. The analysis of source and use of cash. This analysis is usually used when a company wants to find out the condition of cash as well as the factor causing change in cash in a certain period. That's all presentasi. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.